how you can fix Safari not being able to establish a secure connection to a server. So this is a really common problem in iPhones. So I'll teach you guys how to fix this. But before that, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's continue. So the first step is go to your settings, and after you're on your settings, just scroll down till you find Safari. So it's right here. Go to Safari and there you will see different options. Now what you'll need to do is just scroll down and you will see clear history and website data. So just tap on clear history and website data. Make sure that you choose all history, and after you do that, tap on clear history. After you do that, your history will be cleared and your website data will be cleared too, and your cache memory will be cleared, and your web browser should not be having the problem anymore. So the fix is that simple, guys. Thank you for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and don't forget to like the video.